flowers growing on trees. B is for birds singing in the breeze.
C is for clouds so fluffy and white. D is for ducks that swim in the light.
E is for earth so big and round.
F is for flowers growing from the ground.
G is for garden where flowers grow. H is for honeybees buzzing so sweet. Come and sing along with me. Let's explore from A to Z. Look around and tell me too, what's your favorite thing to do? I is for insects crawling so small. J is for jumping in leaves that fall. K is for kangaroo vines so green. L is for ladybugs dancing nearby. M is for moon shining so bright. N is for nest where birds love to call. O is for owl hooting so deep. P is for puddles jump right through. What do you hear? Chirp, chirp. What do you see? A white fly. Sing along and dance with me. Nature's full of A to Z. U is for quails running so fast. R is for rivers that gently flow. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for trees waving good night. U is for umbrella when raindrops fall. V is for valley so big and wide. W is for wind blowing so free. X is for xylophone sounds in the trees. Y is for yellow sun warming the air. Z is for zebra with stripes to wear. Big Finish, sing it loud. Now we sang our